Hello viewers, are you experiencing Snapchat chats loading problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat chat loading problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this issue, first of all go to Play Store and then click on Search app. Now search Snapchat. Now update your Snapchat apps in latest version. After completing update process, now find Snapchat apps and then long press on Snapchat apps. Now open Snapchat app info, click on I button or app info, scroll down, go to storage option, click on clear cache, click on back button, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then open Snapchat apps. Now click on profile icon and then go to settings option, scroll down, click on bugs and suggestion option. Now click on report a bug. Now select your bug category and then here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now submit your report. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully.